What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit on Deriv using 1Voucher. Now once you get to your Deriv account, you might find this as your homepage. You can either click on the USD wallet or add money. But of course, if you're not seeing this, you'll need to find cashier at the top left area of your screen, and once you click on cashier, you'll see this page where you can add money or add something to your wallet. We're going to click on add the money and then choose USD wallet. Then you need to remember that 1Voucher is widely used in South Africa. So if you're not in South Africa, you might not find it right here. But if you are, all you need to do is to scroll through the short list of options and you'll find 1Voucher right there depending on your locality. In this case, South Africa. And once you find it, click on it and follow the easy to follow instructions on depositing using your 1Voucher. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to deposit on Deriv using 1Voucher.